No. Okay, so basically, what's going on here is that there's another event. It's another Christmas event, Jolly Saint Nick. There's also Legend Quest. I don't know. I'll do that if there's extra time. So yeah, and I don't have unlimited speed ups anymore. Which is saddening. Yeah. It's time stored, which means I can get a ticket because there's a Christmas gotcha going on. It has Brainwashed Tank Cat and I want him. And also, the holiday team is back. With a couple minor fixes. For one, we have 2 new members to the gang. We have Cupid Cat and Reindeer Fish Cat. Also, all of the holiday people decided to get some help from Mouseketeer, Pastry, and Flying Ninja. Because, yeah, none of these holiday guys are really known to be fast, for time scores purposes. So, yeah. Pretty sure there's only 5 stages in this, so it won't take too long. I need to get box cat ripoff. So, yeah. Look at a little reindeer fish cat. And you look nice. And also Cupid Cat's here for being Valentine's Day. You know how it goes. I thought he'd fit into the group. Some rewards to speed up, which is nice. Reindeer games. Okay, so are we just doing Christmas songs now? Because the first stage was called Coming to Town. Ooh, nice little Christmas background. Destroy them, Kaneocon. Obliterate them. I want them dead. Also, Flying Ninja spam. Just because. Why not? And Reindeer Fish Cat because he's funny. Attack the ugly morph. There's Mouseketeer too. Okay, I'm not even gonna question that. I just want it dead and instead. Okay. Some more XP, cat CPU, and sniper. Whipped cream. I have a treasure radar because so I get the box gift cat thingies. And then the holiday gang could have a new addition to their little party. However, I'll be not fit a mean because I already have 10 members here. Just to get rid of these 2 though. I suppose. Okay guys, come on now. There you go, Mouseketeer is here now. Okay, just had to see something real quickly. Now we're back. Hold on. Okay, just had to see something real quickly, and now there's multiple of them. Why are there multiple reindeer fish? No, not reindeer fish. I'm thinking of reindeer fish. The stupid reindeer. Oh, there's a gift. Something just moves. Okay. Okay, a bunch of Coop to the workshop. Okay. And you know what? Holiday team, you off the line. Time for me to make an official team. Let's see. That's my Facing Dangers group. Okay. There was Fortune Stay, except for Moderatsu can stay. I don't really use a Moderatsu because her damage is equivalent to like Catman and Assault Unit was against types, even though she's supposed to be equally good against types. I don't know why people say she's such a good unit when she's not. Not good. Anyways, into bed. Let's see what I can do. Oh yeah, I got Executioner now. Yeah, I don't plan on using them. Let's use Papillon. Why? Why not? Hold up. Hold on 1 second. I know I keep pausing, but it's because my nose is bothering me. So, here. And Catman's off the team. Because I want to see who else I can bring in that I don't use very often. Little magical girl Madoka. Going to defeat that black doggo. You're missing hits. You suck, little magical girl Madoka. Papillon, you going. Jamuzi's gonna slap the poodles. Mousy 2, don't rush the base. We don't want that. We don't want the stupid reindeer. Okay, never mind. Little magical girl Madoka, get in the battle and use your stick. Oh god. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, he didn't stand much of a chance at all. Pathetic, completely pathetic. I didn't even get to use Papillon. Come on. He didn't even get to do much. Didn't get the first reward. I don't know what the first. What's the first reward? Oh, just XP. Okay. Rare ticket guaranteed. I hope it's a 3-star because I'll definitely get all 3 of those damn rare tickets. Treasure radar and Warren Xmas. So now we're just destroying Christmas. The holiday gang I just used a couple levels ago probably did not appreciate that. Now instead of sending out little magical girl Madoka immediately, I'm gonna save up and actually summon something good. Never mind. Okay. Oh, that plan sounded drained. Time to go to plan B. Just use Jamira. Easy godsend. Okay, so don't die here. I need you right now. Stop it. Stop. Leave. Go away. Oh, finally an angel appeared in these stages. Took them long enough to have an angel in a Christmas stage. Okay, Assault Unit, don't go into battle and die. That'd be nice. Kill the deer. Or the reindeer. Kill them. Oh my god. Papillon, do something. Assault Unit's is dead. Okay, and here comes everything. Okay. Amaterasu, save me. Yeah, I know the name's Amaterasu. I don't care. I'm calling him Amaterasu. It doesn't really help that half the people here aren't even typed. Can we hit the things? Meowster 2 is dead. I'm like 90% sure. Oh no, he's still alive. Okay, that 10% is right. And now we're hitting the base. Get wrecked, Christmas. You know what? This little magical Madoka, because why not? Okay, come on, guys, just hit the base. There we go. Easy enough. The ticket. Now, here's the question. It's 3-starred. Nice. Now let's do a Xmas gals. I really want the Christmas KG. Or Yuletide Nurse. That'll also be very nice to have. Because, yeah, it's a nurse. Or just give me Witch Cat. Do I have Witch Cat? No, I don't. There's no point in selling them. Oh, cat capsule time. Wow, Wizard don't care. Well, first things first, more speed ups. What can I do to get more cat tickets? No, I don't want on that screen. No. Oh, missions is right there. I'm stupid. Okay, let's see. Where's the cat tickets that are actually possible to do with this episode? Nothing. Okay, well, that's great. Well, might as well do 2-star Jolly Picnic. And this time I'm not fooling around. No, not using the holiday game. Okay. So, let's think of this logically. What would be Night Island Cat? He's stronger than his red enemies, he's an obvious choice. I also need an Uber or Mataratsu, you off the team. So you're still on the team. Don't know why I did that. Tony, you're pretty good. You're on the team. I don't think I need any more Ubers on this team, honestly. I think we're good with 4. Don't think we need 5. I don't think that's very necessary. What else is good against red that could actually be usable in any situation ever? And yes, that means I'm not using Cat Torpedo. No. Or stuff like my level 1 hip-hop cat. Momotaro would just completely get just headbanged by this stupid reindeer. But her second form, though... Yeah, I know I said I didn't need any more Ubers, and yes, I'm Uber carried. Is there anything really wrong with that? No, I wouldn't say there's anything wrong with being Uber carried. I just like the stages being easier, you know? The only stage we really have to actually worry about is the last one. Because it's the actual only difficult one. Monk. There we go. Rewards. Reindeer games. Island Cat, obliterate them. I'm just hoping I'll get some Christmas cow. Or at least, brainwashed tame cat. Which I doubt, but there's always a possibility. Not a very good possibility, but there's still a chance. And it'd especially be nice to get an Uber on camera. Now, knowing how only like 10% of the Ubers I actually have I got on camera. I could probably name them too. Let's see, we have Momotaro, Catman, Master 2 over here. Yeah, I think that's all of them. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's all of them I got on camera. I would say Hades, but the episode 4, which is the first episode of this device, I think, it's either episode 4 or 5, is, well, yeah. I had them to that episode, and I didn't really show them, be getting them on camera. Actually, it was kind of a blessing that I had to move to a new account, because then I got Hades. Oh yeah, there's also Mysteria too, and that stupid Trident big boy. But no, wait, nobody cares about those two. I used to like Mysteria, but her range, yeah, if her range was better, I'd use her. But her range is incredibly bad. First when I saw some tier lists saying Mysteria was the worst galaxy cow, I was like, no, that's not possible yet. I was wrong. Assyria is a bad unit, but she did help me along the way. But I'll never use her again because she's not a good unit. Oh yeah, let's just get back to this episode. I just started tactics from last stage. 1 Xmas. Oh, I had the last stage. Yeah, I just talked off these 2 stages about how my series is bad. Okay, now an actual difficult stage that I have to actually take seriously. Partially. Now there's some stupid deer or whatever it's called. I don't even know what it's supposed to be. But wait, I'm pretty sure it's reindeer. The name is literally reindeer. It can't get any more obvious than that. I could pop along, smack the living shit out of that deer. Or reindeer, or whatever. Can you just completely obliterate him? Pop along, you're kind of missing, bro. I don't want it to be harsh, but you're kind of not hitting them all that much. Oh, and cursing probably won't do anything against them either. But don't hurt Papalon, though. He's a nice man. I really like his design. I kind of wish I had Furluga instead. Hope he gets anti-Aku. Yeah. But we're slowly growing our army. Although they're also slowly growing their army too. Which, yeah. Ain't the nicest thing around, but can't do much about it. Why did I not bring Cat CPU? He would have been such a good help. Nope, didn't bring him. Why didn't I bring him? I have no clue. Cat CPU would have been a big help here, especially since I have a whole lot of them. But I think we should be fine without it. That could either be correct or a famous last words. Oh no, we're fine. We're hitting the base. Yeah, we completely obliterated them. I think everybody survived. Even the Canoe-Cons, which are in front of the battle, by the way. They even survived the war on Christmas. Literally, that's the name of the... Yeah. Got a ticket, hooray. Give me Xmas, gal. Give me Xmas, lion boy. Oh, Pogo Cat. I already have him, I already know. Yeah, there's Masai. This game is making me lose brain cells. No, I don't want to check my storage. I'm only going to use these guys because I want the user rank reward. Pretty sure I'm pretty close to actually getting it. Yeah, very close. Where's the presents? There you are. Might as well open them up. Nothing else to spend this XP on. I would have if I got of an Xmas to help, but nope. Nope. Didn't get them. I will do 3-star, probably off camera though, no. Now, yeah. More speed ups. Let's check out a cat capsule, see what we can get out of it. Okay, good. One more till I get a red ticket. You know what, let's just do 3-star. Why the hell? No, hold on. Let's just do 3-star. Why the hell not? Just do that. There we go. Okay, so Island Cat's doing nothing. Let's bring back Chimera. Yeah. And now I know for that last stage to bring a cat CPU. They have like 40 of them and I never used them. I just like looking at Papalon. Okay, never mind. Apparently I can open that. That's all about. Reindeer games. We've seen this before. This is the third time me doing this stage. You know what I like to do? I like to just watch the early episodes of this game, like episodes 5 through 15, and just see how much progress I've made. Just me thinking of that angel slug, you know, that catastrophe. I could beat him so easily now. I could beat that last stage too, very easily. No, where he spammed angel slugs and black slugs and red slugs. Still wish there was a salt cat. That could come in handy, definitely. Musketeer, you do your thing, I guess. I don't know. I just want that red ticket, honestly. Starting in tier 2, so is Kineocon. I don't know why people say Kineocon's a bad unit, because his range is pretty good. He's just a good unit. He's very cheap for an Uber, too. Which is another reason why I love him. He's a very cheap Uber. His first form, though, is actual garbage. Tank Cat, of course it's Tank Cat. Guess I ain't getting that second red ticket anytime soon. Unless... no. Well, might as well get the user rank anyways. It's a free leadership. Yeah, yup, Tights Cat, sure. Yeah. It's an offer me this thing which I never take because it's a horrible offer. $3 for 160 cat food, I would rather not. Actually, how much money do I have? No, not enough. I wouldn't anyways, yeah, totally not. I would have done it, and you know that. Anyways, whatever, it's gonna offer me the same exact deal when I get the next one. Coop the workshop. It's a dark doggo. Okay, yeah. Jamira, punch it. Punch the dog. Punch the other dog. Jamira likes punching dogs. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I have no damn clue. I ain't Jamira. Okay, that was rude. Just because he punched you doesn't mean you have to kick him. Musketeer, Peach, weirdos, stop speeding across the battlefield because then the boss will be activated. Or just hit the base. Sure. You know, it would be really helpful if Papa Land could do anything. Because, you know, if he didn't go so fast, maybe he could actually catch up to the battlefield. Although we are just completely annihilating the donkey. I know it's not a donkey, but I didn't know the word to call him, so I just call him a donkey. Might as well be called a donkey, because anything for a donkey is an ass. War on Xmas, okay, rich cat CPU. You know the deal. Yeah, I have 45 cat CPUs. I should be using them a lot more. Turn it off immediately though, because or else it'll spam stuff. Activate the boss, and then I'll have nothing. Yep, here comes the reindeer. Slap them. Slap the reindeer. Oh my, okay, yeah, these guys are a lot tougher now than they were in 2-star difficulty. So I'm a little bit concerned now. He's actually putting up a bit of a fight this time. To me, we just got completely roundhouse kicked. Okay, this is bad. This is real bad. Near couldn't save me. There's 3 reindeer. Why is there so many reindeer? Okay, this is actually quite bad. Kill one of the reindeer. Kill any of them. Stop going in front of the battlefield. It's not going to help your situation here. Peach. Yeah, Peach Angels, Devils, or whatever. Get in the battlefield as well. Need as much help as we can possibly get. Kingokun's about to die. The assault unit's a second one. Okay, yep, okay, this is bad. This is real bad. Kill the reindeer, please. Anything. Okay, there we go. Killed something, I think. I think we killed something. This is definitely a lot more difficult than I remember it being. I think he killed something. I think it was a Peach Angel. Oh god, Catsy, save me. Do something. Oh no. Am I actually gonna lose this? This is gonna come right down to the wire as well, by the way. Because I feel like I'm actually gonna somehow manage to lose this stage. I'm just gonna lower the volume and just let CatCP do all the work. And hope that I come out on top. These guys have to be red enemies, right? There's no way they aren't. Oh my god, what are you doing? Meat shield! You're lucky Papalon knocked him all back, CatCP. Also have a serious discussion about why you're not spamming stuff out when it's very important to, or else we will lose. Because my Ubers are strong, but they are stronger. We're hitting the base, and I feel like at this point, if we hit the base, we win. And we won. Barely got the rare ticket, we won. Just barely. Well, good thing there's no 4-star, because I could not do that with just rare and special. Guess that's why there isn't a 4-star. It's just not happening. It's also not happening, me getting the natural unit. All we did is Psycho Cat for the 5th time. Fine, I'll visit the cat guide. What's so special? Wow, Witch Cat, what is she gonna do? Nothing. Get out of here. Get out of here, Witch Cat. Nobody likes you. There. What else? Oh, the stupid gifts. Get out of town. Your worst version of Cats in the Box. Maybe next episode I'll do Legend Quest again. I already made a Legend Quest episode a little while back. But my luck on this game is not exactly great with Jolly Sick Nick, and I'm kind of hoping I get a red ticket from it. And because episodes in this game aren't really as frequent, and yes, the Cats Commander video is still arriving, I'm just waiting for something to happen, so I can actually make the episode. So yeah. I'm just waiting for a lot of content to be in Cats Commander so I can actually play it and actually, do something in it. So that's it for this episode, and down on next episode will be whenever I feel like it.